Good day to the lecturer and my friends. My name is Trimya Silvamutu. We are from Group 8, PHS3013 HRIS. This is our assignment 2 video. The purpose of this video is to create awareness among employees. The topic we choose for this assignment is the employee data safety and rules and regulations enforced. We're gonna talk from employees' perspective.
Introduction. Data safety and privacy protection is being concerned as an organization's responsibility. In today's globalization world, there are many threats and challenges to protect data from exposed. All categories of data, such as employees' personal data, is governed by specific law to protect its safety. Employees' data is categorized as confidential, and it is important to safeguard it from exposed by irresponsible parties. In Malaysia, the act that governs all kinds of data safety is Personal Data Protection Act 2010, which protects personal privacy. The act also covers all electronic and non-electronic data. The purpose of this data is to empower individuals to take control of their personal data and to support organizations with their lawful processing of personal data.
Importance of data safety. Data security is the practice of protecting digital information from unauthorized access, corruption, or theft throughout its entire life cycle. It's a concept of encompass every aspect of information security from the physical security of hardware and storage device to administrative and access control, as well as the logical security of software application. It also includes organizational policy and procedure. When properly implemented, data security strategy will be protect an organization information asset against cybercriminal activity, but they also guard against insider threat and human error, which remain among the leading cause of data breach today. Data security involves deploying tools and technology that enhance the organization visibility into where it is critical data reside and how it is used.
Laws to protect employee data. Employee data protected under the Personal Data Protection Act 2010 and also known as PDPA. The PDPA applies to any person who processes and has control over the processing of personal data in respect of commercial transactions. There are 5 key takeaways from the PDPA. First, employers must evaluate and determine what information is absolutely necessary for the discharge of their duties as an employer and avoid excessive data collection. Second, employees must notify their employees of the nature and purpose of information being collected. Third is, under the PDPA, personal data cannot be shared with their parties unless consent of the individuals is obtained. Number 4, employees are responsible for ensuring that reasonable security measures are put in place to ensure that their employees' personal data are protected. Number 5, employees must destroy the employees' personal data when it's no longer required. Employment Act also requires to store the informations at least for 6 years.
Common data privacy issue and solution. The first problem is advertisers track your movement across the internet. The solution is you can block third-party cookies by using an anti-trafficking browser extension. So the second problem will be your search history is not private. So the solution is you can switch to a private search engine. For example, Niva. So the third problem is apps constantly tracking your location. The solution would be change your location setting. For example, when you are not using the apps, you can close your location to the phone setting.
Next part is how to secure employee data. Let's see the first step. Maintain records securely. Implement administrative, technical and physical control to properly secure employee record. Paper record should be stored in a locked location with access limited to one individual who is chiefly responsible for maintaining the file. Next step is follow record keeping law. Follow all federal, state and local record keeping law and only retain information for as long as it is necessary. Third one is avoid using SSN when possible to protect against identity theft or other fraud. Take appropriate steps to avoid transmitting, printing and using employees SSN whenever possible.
As a conclusion, we can conclude that to protect data from being wrongly used or exposed to the public, a safety method of keeping data must be implemented by an authorized personnel in each organization. The information and communication safety officer's role is vital to ensure the data protection is being emphasized.